Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox the 2022 new TWS Special Audio AirPods 3. Let's go! Hey you guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys is we have here another product. This is the TWS Earbuds 2022, and this is from AirPods 3PH at Shopee guys. So if you're interested, just kindly click the link on the description box. So it's been a long time guys since we unboxed in an AirPods here in our channel, and we have here the new product. Okay, so this is the box guys, the TWS, and you can get this one guys for around 699 pesos or $13. So this is our AirPods 3, the box. So at the bottom, so you have here the more like Apple kind of packaging. So it's compatible with iOS device and also Android. On the side, so we have here Apple. Okay, so this is more like a copy of the AirPods 3. Alright, so they also have this kind of seal here, so which reminds me of the new iPhones out there. Let's take this one out guys. Alright, and let's look what's inside. Okay, so we have here guys the paperwork. So it says here designed by Apple in California, and some the manual, yes, and we have here the AirPods itself and the charger. So the charger guys, so it's type C to lightning port here. So this one, you can connect this one guys to your type C adapter, and this one is the lightning cable for the AirPods. So guys, let's take this one out. Okay, so this is what it looks guys, designed by Apple in California. Okay, so it really looks like the AirPods 3 as you see guys. It looks really premium, and oh, can you see? It's I don't know, like it's really almost the same with the AirPods 3. And then here are the AirPods, right? And this is the case here. Okay, let's take a closer look. Wow, it's nice, and it really looks premium. There's nothing that you can really at first look you'll never know that this is really a copy of the AirPods 3. So I will be testing this one guys, and then I'll be connecting this one to a phone, and let's see how's the latency. Is it high or low? Hey guys, we're back, and I actually tested our AirPods 3 using my Android phone, and yes, it can actually connect guys. And I tried using TikTok, and yes, it's a very low latency. So I recorded a video, and luckily there is no delay. So for that, I think that is a very good feature of this AirPods 3. And now I have here my iPhone, and I will be testing this one if it can detect our AirPods 3 quickly. Alright, so let's try to open it. Okay, let's have our Bluetooth turned on. Okay, so it says here some features of this audio requires a newer version of iOS. Okay, and let's connect AirPods 3. Actually, guys, at this time, I was actually using the earbuds, and I was also playing TikTok on my iPhone. And all I can say, guys, is it's really very good. Yes, the audio is very nice, and what I can emphasize more is the bass. The bass is very superb, and it seems like when you are listening to the sound, you are really in that moment. The only issue that I encounter is that when I was using the iPhone, there was a slight delay when I was recording it, especially recording the video. But other than that, all I can say is that this AirPods is really doing its job. With a reasonable price, you can get a decent sound and with lots of features. Moreover, guys, our TWS3 wireless AirPods actually supports wireless charging. So as you can see here, it is actually now lighting up. How cool is that for such an affordable price? So guys, let me know about your thoughts and your opinion about our TWS3 AirPods. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be updated of our latest uploads. Okay, guys, and yes, please do check the link on the description box if you're interested to check the product. All right, so guys, once again, this has been Josh, and I'll see you on our next video.